allegedly the information reaching me now be say that Guinness Book of Record when be say Ebenezer, that Ghanaian cook abi na chef, say he win, say na fake. Which day here he come outside say don win cook it. Even we Nigerians, we are very happy for him. We congratulated him. At least he come out from Nigeria, enter Ghana, so we happy. Why you go do fake certificate for Guinness Book when be worldwide something? You go do fake certificate, you even get the mindset, you dey snap picture. They tell you say Idabasi na own fake. Abi they tell you say other people when do their own fake. You reach your turn. No wonder when I see almost 900 hours, I say shoo, wetin this person abi na 90 hours, abi the hours too go long. I say shoo, this person fit stand. Everything fake. Una no dey try for that Ghana now. Una no dey try, una no dey try. After if una look Nigerians now, I say we dey play for one night. But if you look at when na dey play for one night, Idabasi no do fake. Well, anyway, justice for them.